Hello students, today in this video I'll start with chapter number 7, getting to know about plants. So in this chapter we'll study about the different types of plants. The plants are divided according to their size. So we'll study about the different types of plants in this chapter, about root, about leaves and stem. We'll discuss the function of all these three, and in the last part of the chapter we'll study about the flower, the structure of flower and the functions of flower. So first of all we'll study about herbs, that what are the properties of herbs. So the plants with green and tender stem are called herbs. They are usually short and may not have many branches. They are used for the food, flavoring, medicine or perfume. So children, you have seen the herbs like mint, coriander. So these plants are the examples of the herbs. So one picture is in front of you. You can just see that what are the herbs. Next comes shrubs. Shrubs are the plants which have stem branching out near the base. Stem is hard but not too thick. Such plants are known as shrubs. These shrubs are a small bit taller than the herbs but smaller than us. If we compare with our height, so that shrubs are smaller than our height. The area of the cultivated shrubs in a park or a garden is known as shrubbery. So children, we can take few examples here of shrubs are like rose plant and tomato plant. These are the examples of the shrubs. Next is about trees. Some plants which are very tall and have thick and hard brown stem. So in trees you can see that they are having a thick and brown stem. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. So above the ground there are the branches. Such plants are known as trees. They tend to long lived. Some reside or they live for the thousands of the years. So the life of tree is more than herbs or shrubs. And trees are very tall. One thing more is there. Next comes climbers and creepers. So climbers and creepers both are differ from each other. The question may be there that differentiate between climbers and creepers. So climbers are the plants that take sport on neighboring structures and climb up, are known as climbers. For example, you must have seen the grapevine, pea plant and money plant. They cannot stand straight. They need a support to climb up. So these three are the example of climbers. Next part comes that are creepers. Creepers are the plants with weak stem and they cannot stand upright and spread on the ground. These are known as creepers. Means they are very thin stem is there and they cannot stand straight. If they can't stand straight, they spread on the ground. Example of creeper is pumpkin and watermelon. So there is a lot of difference between a climber and creeper. Climbers, we have already read that climbers are the plants which need support to climb up. And creepers, again they can't stand and they spread on the ground. That are known as creepers. So next part we'll study in the next video. Thank you.